Editing is the most important process in producing a video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit video on mobile using Kinemaster step by step. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya Laha, and if you are new here, make sure to click that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon to get notified for more updates. Kinemaster is one of the best video editing apps. It is an easy, full-featured video editor software available for both iOS and Android. It is completely free to use, but you can unlock even more features and remove Kinemaster watermark with a Kinemaster Premium subscription. I have already made video on this, how to remove Kinemaster watermark without any subscription, without spending any money. You can check out that videos later. I will mention that video link on I button and in description. Okay, so here we are in Kinemaster. This is what you see when you first open up the app. Now before we jump into creating our editing project, this one is settings and few buttons to get help and know more about the application. So go to the settings tab down in the bottom left hand corner, and in here you can manage things like editing settings, change file locations and more advanced settings. In this advanced and experimental settings, there are few options you must need to enable them to export more smooth videos on 60 fps. Also, enabling unlimited video layer mode will help you to add more video layers to your project. Now go back to the landing page. Scroll down and you will see Asset Store and another to open Kinemaster YouTube channel, Instagram and TikTok, and also some recommended apps. Coming to the asset marketplace, you will find lots of downloadable transitions, effects, animations, stickers and more stylish fonts and so on. You will find My button in the top right corner of your screen. All of your downloaded assets will be saved here. Back all out of this and you will see Get Projects feature. So you can download a project template from here. Now tap the Create New button to start editing. When you tap on the Create New, it is gonna ask you what type of video do you want to create. A 16:9, a widescreen or horizontal video, a 9:16 which is portrait, or 1:1 a square video. Once you pick this and you start editing, you won't able to change it later. You will have to start a new project for a new aspect ratio. So for this tutorial, I'm gonna take you through it a 16:9 or a widescreen video. Also, if you scroll down, you will find some of the settings like photo display mode and photo duration. Now click on Next. So this is Kinemaster editing interface. The editing interface looks similar to many other video editing software. The big section down in the bottom is Timeline. This is our editing workspace area. This is where the editing is gonna happen. And the big black box at the top of the screen is video window that's gonna play back your video while you are editing it. The circle in the top right hand corner is where you can import all of your media or assets, record voiceover, audio, add additional layers and bring other things into our timeline. Also, there is a red button in the middle of the media circle that will open up the camera so that we can take photos and record videos right from the app. There is also a little icon up there to access the Asset Store. Hence, I'm gonna import a video for our editing project by clicking this media button. Media browser will be appeared. You can add multiple videos at the same time or you can add it later as a clip. So we got our clip down on the timeline. If we just tap and swipe left and right, then we can move around our videos here. Also, clips can be moved from one place to another. So if you want to move your clip, just long press the clip and move it to the desired location. On the left of the interface is the control bar. We have got a few icons there. The first one is the back button. We have got undo, redo, frame capture button, settings. Also a button there to expand out video layers. So if there are heap of video layers or a complicated timeline and we want to fill the screen with that or make that bigger, that's what that button does. And the last button down the bottom left will let you jump between the start of your video and the end of your video. When you tap on your clip, the border will appear light yellow and you will get a whole extra set of options that open up here in place of the media circle. To trim your video, select the video clip you want to customize and tap on the scissor icon at the top right corner. This opens 4 options to choose from: trim to left of the playhead or right of the playhead. These 2 options are for trimming and I'm gonna use these options to trim its both ends. To divide a video clip into 2, use third option, that is split at playhead. And the last option is used for video clip only, so that you can split your video into 2 and insert freeze frame between those 2 clips. Select any of your clip that you want to delete from your timeline and click on this trash icon. Pan and zoom. By using this feature, you can manually create an effective animation by setting a start position and end position of any image or video. Another one is mixer. This is the main volume control center. On the left is the volume slider. By default, it is set to 100%, but you can increase up to 200 or decrease it to the 0% depending on how you want your audio to sound. On the right side, you can enable auto volume. Default setting is off, but it can be toggled on and off. The auto volume reduces the dynamic range of the audio, making quiet noises louder and loud noises quieter. This normalizes the track. It is useful for recordings where the subject was not a constant distance from the microphone. Below auto volume is the stereo pan tool. Stereo pan adjusts the stereo mix of the track. Some cool effects can be achieved by manipulating these 2 sliders. The speaker button at the top of the volume slider toggles the mute function. Tap it once to mute the track or video clip. Tap it again to unmute. Now coming to the clip graphics, if you want to add some fun, animated decorations to your video or to create some impressive text effects, here are some clip graphics come pre-installed. But if you don't see what you are looking for, there are lots of clip graphics are available to download on Kinemaster Asset Store. To apply a clip graphic, tap on a video or image at the top of the timeline. Then tap the clip graphic button that appears in the panel that opens on the right side of the screen. Only one clip graphic may be applied to a video clip or image. The speed control tool allows you to change the duration of a video clip on the timeline. It can speed videos up or slow them down. By default, all video clips import into the timeline at 1x or regular speed. So there are 3 speed option shortcuts at the top of the speed control panel. 1x does not change the speed of your video clip, where 4x or 400% makes your video 4 times faster and 8x makes your video 8 times faster. Mute audio toggles the audio of your video clip. Tap enable to turn off the sound. Where keep pitch toggles the pitch of your audio track. This can sound quite strange when speed control is applied. To reverse a video clip, tap the reverse button in the options panel that opens on the right side of the screen. A progress bar will show you Kinemaster rendering your video clip. When reversing is complete, your video clip will play in reverse. Sometimes your videos may need to get flipped or turn around to make your video look just right. You might need to change the way a video was shot. In that situations, you can use rotate or mirroring tool. Also, you can apply color filters to your editing project. And this one is color adjustment tool. This tool lets you change the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your selected media with individual sliders. EQ tool or equalizer allows you to adjust the bass, mid-tones, and treble of an audio layer using presets. The audio will automatically play, giving you a preview of how the EQ preset sounds when applied to the clip. The volume envelope allows you to change the volume of an audio clip as it plays. It also creates fade-ins and outs or drops the volume from unwanted portions of the audio without using the trim and split tool. So now reverb. Use Kinemaster's preset reverb acoustic effects to add spaciousness to an audio clip. It also helps to create a more natural sounding voiceover depending on the type of B-roll you are speaking over. The voice changer has a lot of presets that alter the pitch and quality of voices in a selected audio or video clip. Now the vignette tool, which is used to create a soft dark edge around your video. You can apply it to media in the primary timeline. Tap the toggle switch to activate it. If you want to extract audio from your video clip, tap the extract audio tool and the audio track from the video clip will appear as an audio layer. Extracting audio is non-destructive, so if you wish to revert to the original audio, simply tap on the audio layer, unmute the video clip using the mixer tool, and then tap the delete button to remove the extracted audio. So now, information. Tap the information button in the options panel to see additional details about a particular layer. Almost our editing project is now about to complete. So again, coming to the media circle. So this is media button. From here we can import videos or pictures as a clip. Adding as a clip will add it to the top layer. I think we have already discussed about it. Now the layer section. Adding as a layer will create a whole new layer. Clicking on this opens 5 options which are media, effect, sticker, text and handwriting. We can add any pictures or videos from here, and the advanced editing tools will appear in place of the media circle. Here you will get trimming, splitting, rotate or mirroring options. If you want to set up animations, then you will get in animation, overall animation and out animation in the options panel. And many more options like chroma key, cropping, alpha opacity, color filter, adjustment, blending and information. Effect. The second option allows you to add additional effects to your videos or clips. It has 2 basic effects, but you can download even more effects in this asset store. You can add stickers, also text to your project. Select the font style. Also you can choose any color for your text. And many more options and animations can be set up from the options panel. The last option is handwriting. Change the brush to draw on any part of your video. This way you can highlight a certain area of your video which you would want your viewers to focus on. Right next to the brush tool, you can also see another tool, that is color tool. Select any color of your choice. These are erase options and the size tool. You can record voiceover. Also you can add audio or any sound effects to your video from here. Once you are done with this video, it is time to export it. To share it on YouTube or any other social media platforms, you have to export it first. If the video is long, it might take a while to export completely. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, do comment and share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.